Meteorologist Sean Sublett from the Richmond Times-Dispatch just after 11 o'clock on this Wednesday morning. And for the time being, things are still quiet. It's hot and humid across central Virginia. You look at the satellite imagery there. Look in the western part of the state, how the clouds are already starting to blossom these last few hours. I think that is the precursor to numerous showers and thunder showers pushing into central Virginia later on into the afternoon. Already plenty hot with the temperatures nearing in on 90 degrees. So let's walk through the next 12 hours of what to expect. We do think in the coming few hours there will be the first rounds of showers and thunder showers to develop. Now remember, what you're looking at here is the computer simulations. Don't strictly interpret where you see the green spots, the yellow spots, exactly where it's going to rain at exactly that time. Computer's just frankly not that good. But what it can tell us is how we should expect these showers and thunderstorms to blossom, how long they should last, and when the threat is done. So as we move into the 1, 2 o'clock hour, already will start to become more numerous around central Virginia and then pick up even further closer to 4 and 5 o'clock. There will be likely a final larger round of these kind of taking shape toward, let's say, 8:30 or so. And then later on into the evening, after 9 or 10, everything will start to wind down. But like we had last week, do be on the lookout for some very brief, intense downpours. And by brief, we mean 30, 60 minutes or so. Some could go on even a little bit longer. So be on the lookout for the small stream flooding. For flooding of roadways as well. You don't want to be stuck out on the highway underneath one of these things if it just starts coming down for an hour, hour and a half or so. So with that in mind, a flood watch is in effect through tonight at midnight for all of central Virginia. In fact, most of the state is under this flood watch. So numerous rounds of rain, showers, thunder showers start to take shape later on for the afternoon and early evening. We think there's more of a flood risk today versus so much a damaging wind threat today. It's not a tornado situation at all. What we're more concerned about is flooding because the atmosphere is just primed with moisture today. So be on the lookout for flooding of roadways, streams, and creeks through about midnight or so. Once we get past that, things will begin to tone down. Tomorrow there's probably some lingering morning showers from place to place. And then everything still points to a very nice weekend. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Breaking the heat. Big break in humidity. Highs are in the low and mid 80s. The lows are down into the low 60s. Some of the more rural locations around central Virginia will probably even be in the upper 50s first thing on Sunday morning. So again, be on the lookout for flooding of streams and creeks as well as areas that just don't drain very well. And as always, please don't drive into areas where water covers the road. Stay safe out there, RVA.